All right, I'm taking this apart, right? And I already did most of all of them. Yeah, these broke, but I'm not gonna worry about it. Everybody said they break, but take these out the original one and put them in the aftermarket one. Okay, just do it because yeah, these don't need to be used. You can just toss them in trash. Yeah, they're not worth even your time using it because they're just not. Okay, just a little update. About done taking this apart. And I'm going to transfer it to the new one. I got the bottom support bracket right there. And the hood release is right here. I just took the whole thing off, and there's my two screws I need to put together. Oops. Yep. But it's coming along. It's coming along.